babalik po ako na sasagutin ko ang mga question na to sa flashcards. So let's start. This is my and also guys, this is my second trial. So I hope I can answer this all of this guys. So let's start with the first. So what are the typical phases of waterfall model? So sorry guys, I have no idea about it. This requirement analysis, system design, implementation, integration and testing, deployment and maintenance. This is the answer guys. So but I have no idea. So let's go to the another questions. So what are the two distinct approaches of software development? So the two distinct approaches of software development is the waterfall and agile. Let's see if it is correct. So it is a waterfall and agile. So I have one correct and one wrong answer. So let's go to the third question. So what are the key agile methodologies? So the key agile methodologies is Scrum and the second is extreme programming. Scrum and extreme programming. So I have two correct answer and one wrong answer. So let's move to the fourth questions. So let's go. Let's read it. So what are the weaknesses of the waterfall model? So the weaknesses of waterfall model is it is inflexibility, then slow adaptation ba yun guys? So I have no idea. Inflexibility, slow adaptation to changes, late sorry guys. So late testing, not ideal for uncertain requirements. So I only answer one. So I need to move to the another question. So what are the strengths of the agile model? So what are the strengths of the agile model? So the strength of the agile model is it is a flexibility, customer collaboration and early bug detection. Flexibility, early bug detection and better risk management. So I correct 3 questions and 2 wrong answers. So let's move to the six I think. So 6 questions. So what are the strengths of the waterfall model? So the strength of the waterfall model is a clear structure, predictability, good for large project and easier to manage. So clear, correct guys. So clear structure, predictability. So 4 out of 6 na ko guys. Let's go to the 7th question. So what are the weaknesses of the agile model? The weaknesses of the agile model is require close collaboration, I think. No, wrong guys. Difficult to predict cost and time. So 4 out of 7. I hope so this is the 8 questions. So compare waterfall and agile model in time to market. So compare waterfall and agile. So waterfall is longer, while agile it is faster and also flexible. Yes, that's correct guys. So 5 out of 8. Great. So the Agile model is a iterative and flexible approach where developed and divided into small increment called script, I think. Sprints pala, sorry. Sprints. Hindi siya script, so sprints. So 5 out of 9. I hope I can answer this last question. So the blank is a linear and sequential software development approach where each phase must be completed before the next phase begin. So the answer is waterfall model, I think. Yes, it's correct, guys. So I answer 6. Correct answer 6. I have sorry. Then 4 wrong answers. Good job for the second trial.